Maglalagay din kami ng paano namin binili yung bus. Paano namin binili yung bus? How many hours to go pa?
4 hours.
4 hours pa. Kain mo na. Ano binili mo?
Sandwich, egg, bacon, sandwich. Pangalan
Starbs.
niya, ano? DS Bacon Sandwich.
Yeah.
Enjoy LA! Nakakwentuhan ko kasi.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Fernando Valley. Yung next stop natin, Los Angeles na actually tayo. Yes!
LA!
Let's go!
Taga saan ka? Taga
LA.
saan ka dati? City of?
City of Smiles.
Ngayon?
The City of Angels.
Yun.
Let's go.
Ako, from the hood. Project for Represent. Ngayon nasa Hollywood. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
So,
go.
10 minutes stop lang tayo dito. Then,
Ay,
maya-maya
sarap.
back.
Hindi pala. Kala ko, iwan na tayo eh. Babalik tayo sa hood eh. Maiwan tayo. Saan siya? Ganun ako.
Saan nyo? Okay lang sana ganun. Pero, ako din naiwan. wala kang
Taga-video.
taga-video. Nagbubuk kami ngayon ng Uber papunta sa Airbnb namin. And malapit na lang kami, around like 10 minutes. Papunta doon. Nandito na kami nagpababa sa aming bus. And si boss nyo nagbubuk.
Kilala mo ba yung tatakbong presidente next year sa Amerika?
Biden?
Sino kalaban niya?
Si Trump?
Si
Trump.
Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
Happy ka?
Yeah. Supa. Supa.
Feeling mo kailan kang mapopost yung video na to?
Baka nasa ibang bansa.
Baka nasa Europe na tayo.
Yung Korea, matagal na yun.
Ah.
Last year pa yun. Hindi pa na-upload. Kaya,
Oh, isa last year.
okay pa. Last year yun kasi kailan pa ito ma-upload eh. Oh, last year pa yun.
Good, good.
Nakabook na kami. Rider namin, si Kuya Byung. Byung, ano siya? Knows Korean. So, Korean siya.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Saya.
Getchana.
Natatain ako.
Closed. Cerrado.
Washington.
Ano? Elises yan? May experience ka pala na hinabol ka.
Nabol ako nun eh. Last year, nakaka-live ako sa Facebook. Tapos, doon lang ako sa labas ng hotel. Pinapakita ko gano'ng ka-blue yung sky. Akala niya, tinututuwa ko siya. Bigla nun siya nang hahabol. So, ayan. Tip lang din. Hindi porket na sa Amerika kayo, na wala na mga masamang tao. Kahit saan yan. Korea, Japan, kahit saan pa yan.
Sa Korea natin may zombie.
Mga zombie doon. Naglalakad lang sila.
Lasing.
Kaya ingat din kayo pag nakikita kayo.
Yan.
Kahit saan, ingat kayo. So, ayun, do your research lagi. Do your homework. Do your homework every day. So, kayo pupunta, research lang sa inyo mga streets na bawal puntahan or huwag niyong puntahan. So,
Hashtag
hashtag.
tips from Boss Joe.
Rating mo lang. Kasi mamaya baka madaan tayo sa ano. Baka tayo dadaan. Ha?
Yun. Thank you. 감사합니다. 네. Ngayon, naghahanap lang kami ng aming Airbnb. And as our navigator dito sa Los Angeles, Pampanga. Lipat bahay na naman tayo, mga guys. Laban. Hala, sige. Buhat.
Okay.
So, tama.
Hey guys, wala tayong malaking katawan. But we have a big brain. Let's go. Let's go. Gago. Mama. Mama pala.
So, we're in.
Okay. Next instruction.
Ganda naman dito. Parang nasa escape game tayo.
Game.
In 5 seconds, if you cannot open the door with a passcode given, you will be locked forever.
Please walk through the brown wooden door in the lobby.
Di ba? This is the brown.
May instruction.
May instruction. Tara, tara, tara. Pasok do sa brown wooden door. On left or right?
Ang sabi niya, turn left.
Saan yung kitchen counter? The next sentence, next sentence.
Yun na. The key to the... Your unit numbers 101 on the first floor. Please walk through the brown wooden door. So tapos na yun. Turn left 101. Okay na rin yun. The door will be unlocked. And the keys will
Ah,
be...
inside. Nasa kitchen counter.
Okay, so... Yun na nga. Medyo bobo. Medyo bobo. Di pala big brain.
Medyo bobo yung person today. Pero naka-arrive na din tayo sa ating escape game.
Okay.
Naka-escape.
Oh, it's nice. Hindi siya 0.5. Hindi siya tawag yun. Macro camera. Talagang totoong malaki. Yeah, big.
Nasa instruction din po na bawal maingay. Ang ingay niya, oh. It's big.
Malaki siya.
Tour. So, sa room namin, merong TV, may sala,
An apartment tour.
apartment tour pala kasi we have a counter. Mali. We have a kitchen.
Okay. Tubes.
And the bed,
Ah, ito yung...
lampshades.
We have our fridge.
You have your fridge. Sa Pilipinas, ano to?
Ha?
Refrigerator.
Pag
Dito,
nandito
fridge.
fridge.
Fridge. English 101. Yeah.
Okay, meron tayong paper towel para sa ating mga pagkain. And ano ba mga meron dito?
Sige.
Uy, meron silang sugar.
Meron din coffee.
May coffee ka
Oh, wow.
Go, i-tour mo muna sila.
Yeah.
Pakita mo na yung CR kasi papasok na.
Papasok ka na.
Pala pinakasumilaw para maganda yung room tour. Wala.
Then, meron tayong, wow. May walk-in cabinet. Malaki. Wait, let's turn on the light. Oh, automatic.
Yung?
Yung ilaw dito. Oh my God, rinig yung utot mo. Wow, ang laki ng cabinet. Ha! Para lang to kay Boss Jow. Happy. There's also this is our CR bathroom. Yeah. So, ganda. Minsan kasi, naloloko tayo, di ba, sa room? So, sa pictures in our past Airbnbs and sa ibang countries, medyo yung pictures naka 0.5. So, ngayon first time na totoo yung picture. Sobrang luwang. We'll put the address and the Airbnb kung saan namin siya binooked and ano yung address niya sa Airbnb, and it's really accessible to all area. We're here and we're staying here for 5 days. Mag-unpack muna tayo guys ng maleta ko. Kasi yung kasama ko nakahiga pa and mag-order ng food. So, we'll be staying here for 5 days and medyo marami-rami tayong dinalang damit in cases of emergency. And ayun, unpack lang muna tayo ngayon. Lagay natin sa ating closet. Then, if wala akong gagawin mamaya, mag-iron na din ako ng clothes para hindi na mahirapan. At suot na lang pa. Isusuot na lang bago umalis. Gaayos ka na?
Ayos na. Ayos na, mga lamig para makapagsimula na.
Patingin ng closet mo.
Okay. Tara, may bahay ako sa LA.
Grabe naman si Boss Jack. Boss Jack, flex naman ang mga sapatos mo dyan. Ganda naman
Tayong vape dyan. Vape sta. Ayan, tapos siyempre. Palm Angels. Ang galing na naka-invento na ito.
Ganda niyan ah.
Tusi lang siya. Tusi. So ayan. Tapos dito, nakalagay natin yung mga cup na yan. Pero yan, ayan, pangit. Maganda. Pwede na kayo yan. Solid to.
Good morning from LA. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Hollywood sign and nag-book kami sa Klook ng Hollywood hiking. Papunta sa Hollywood sign. So nag-ready na kami. Ready lang ng mga equipment.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hello guys. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Malupit to.
Mostly pictures ang nakikita ngayon, pupuntahan na natin. So tara! Samahan nyo kami! Let's go! Ano oras yung meet up time natin?
Meet up time natin is 9
Parang
a.m.
ganyan.
9 a.m. Time check, it's 8:30. So, pag gantong nasa tour kayo, dapat talaga laging maaga. Hindi pwedeng bahala na kasi syempre, bayad nyo yung mga pinagagawa nyo. 'Di ba? So, kailangan mong ayusin yung mga galaw mo para
Grabe naman.
maging smooth lahat. And syempre, yung binabayad mo sa mga tour. So, masaya to. Check nyo to.
Dito sa Amerika, yung aso is dog.
Dog.
Dog?
Sa Tagalog, aso.
Sa Ilonggo, idu lang nga.
Ido lang nga.
JB, you got it. I don't
Idu.
want to mispronounce it.
Some sort. He's a sheepadoodle.
I just like saying that. Sheepadoodle.
Sheepadoodle.
Which is why he's so damn cute. So great.
So we're kind of on the Universal Studios exploring now, and then we head back to Houston. Okay.
Kabi. Shiba Doodle.
May dala siyang tubig para sa
Shiba Doodle. That's a dog's breed.
Classic wine. I'm not sure what's so classic about it. I've only met one person who's ever tried a glass. My boss Joe. It tastes like shit. So to avoid the $200 plus bottle of Hollywood classic wine. Little history on the sign. It is actually 100 years old. It just turned 100 April 3rd. I've never seen any creature shit as much as this dog. Confused with some rinky-dink little housing development. So they said, oh, we're not Hollywood. We're Hollywood land. Okay? Please don't confuse us. I'm sorry, with a roll of white tarp. And the next day the sign read, does anyone remember this? January 1st, 2017, right after some recreational laws were passed? Hollyweed! Yeah! And he got away with it.
Really?
Until he posted it on Instagram, and was arrested the very next day. So, he was fined $10,000. But according to him, he sold that roll of white tarp of which he put in the letters to change the OC. He sold that online for, guys, get this, $70,000, baby. So he made a 60K profit. Not too shabby.
You haven't introduced your dog yet. What's...
Oh, I haven't. His name is Mozart. And consequently, water ports, a river, half the year, other half it's dried up and useless, makes almost no sense. We would become the second busiest city in the country. But here we are, baby! And I take pride in that. Us to the landing. Shut up, Siri. That is going to take us to the landing. That'll be the best spot for pictures in front of the sign. Yes, I will warn you guys though, it dead ends up here. There's a water tank. So for those who want to come all the way to the top after, we are going to be going back down this way and taking that road up above and behind the letters afterward. Okay. So for those of you who thought this steep hike up this trail was making any progress towards your end goal, I'm sorry you're mistaken. However, it is worth it. I will say that.
It is worth it.
Yep. What? Ah. All right. I know, and this is really anything compared to getting up over there.
That's it. We made it. Hollywood sign. The best view. It's so close. Lalapit pa tayo. So dito yung picture taking spots. Sa pinuntahan namin, I have to tie my shoelace. Advertise. Then, lalapit pa tayo sa Hollywood sign. So 45 minutes going up ulit. Lalapit pa tayo sa Hollywood sign. So syempre, hindi to, oh my God. Hindi to Hollywood kung walang palm trees. Bebe, palm trees, and big palm trees. So, maybe around 30 minutes papaakyat. Saya ng tour guide namin sa sobrang daldal niya. And focus na focus. Focus na focus. Ganda ng view dito, guys. As in, so medyo may fog lang over the LA, pero kitang-kita and a visible eye.
Other two times they were off to the side. That road right there. Guys, if you look ahead, you'll see a big blue square right there. That is the 7th largest IKEA in the world, baby. Guy was arrested there 2 years ago for putting fake arrows all over it and getting everyone lost inside. He did a night in the slammer for disturbing the peace, but boy was that hilarious. To the left you will see downtown Burbank. That is the cluster of buildings to the left of the big IKEA. This is pretty much all Burbank from that cluster of buildings, well, that IKEA actually, all the way down to that long stretch of road over there, which is the runway to Burbank Airport. Used to be called Bob Hope, but they took his name off of it.
We're still going up. Maybe 20 minutes more. But the view is worth it. Look at that view. Ikaw, kaya pa ba?
Pwede pang kumain ng madami.
Parang,
Tagal-tagal pa tayo dito.
parang deserve ng steak. Char.
Tagal-tagal pa. Pero medyo hindi sinikip yung mga pantalon.
Yes. Ganda ng view, di ba? Worth it naman eh. Ganda. Pagod na si Boss Chow. Pagod na. Kaya. Let's go, let's go. Huh. Worth it. The view. View. The view.
Dati mo siya nakayakap.
Aww! Cutie! We're at the top of Hollywood! masasabi mo ulit? Dati nasa hood.
Ngayon nasa Hollywood.
Well, there you go.
So ano masasabi mo? We're at the top.
Worth it. 100%. Worth it.
So the view is amazing. Ang ganda ng tour guide namin. So, harap likod ng Hollywood, nakita namin buo. Newly painted because it's 100 years, no? April. And yun, salamat sa panonood ng vlog namin. Bababa na kami actually. I don't think you wanna come with us na. We're good na dito.
Yes, so kung trip yung pumunta dito, ang sa experience namin, 1 hour and 38 minutes kami umakyat. Kasama na yung pictures, mga pagpapahinga. Pababa, 45 minutes na lang siya. So, yeah.
Yun lang. So, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel namin,
Ang dahil
subscribe
pa pasunod, so
more
abangan
videos
yan.
to go. Bye!
Bye! Los Angeles! LA, baby.